Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $7,141 level. We are currently ranked at $252 level, or 252 with a market cap of about $238 million. Today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis, and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So basically, YFI is down just 1.8 in the last 24 hours. And without further ado, let us push through the chart. So we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame. Binance is the data source. And one of the things we have been looking at right here for YFI is this trend line. And we're seeing this trend line was acting as a very, very huge resistance. And we're saying it's a matter of time. The moment we broke above, expect a massive push into that $10,000 region. And that has already began to occur. Another reason we are bullish basically right here is the US dollar index. The US dollar index right here just shows the relationship between the US dollar and basically risk assets. And usually when we see the US dollar push to the downside, it basically means that we are bullish on risk assets such as YFI and cryptocurrencies. That means we are about to see that push to the upside right here. So the US dollar or the US dollar index is bearish. We are expecting the US dollar index to push into this 102, which means we are bullish on risk assets such as cryptocurrencies. Another reason we are also bullish right here on cryptocurrencies basically right here is the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance is basically the relationship between Bitcoin and the altcoins. And when we see this number push to the upside, it basically means Bitcoin is outperforming the altcoins. But currently, we have just had this double top, and we are expecting a push into this 50% or 52%, and we could go as low as the 50%, which means we are about to see altcoins such as YFI have this sort of massive push to the upside. So prepare, we are about to see that massive move to the upside. Last but not the least is that momentum is also showing us that the bulls have been accumulating, getting ready for a massive pump. As you can see right here, the same thing happened right here. We saw this massive pump right here into that $10,000 level. Right here, we are seeing the same thing happening on the momentum chart, saying we are expecting a massive breakout coming soon. So that's the update right here on YFI. We are still bullish, expecting higher price targets. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.